In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort by value in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here list of grade values that are not ordered properly. So what we're going to do for demonstration is we're going to sort this from list to greatest. So the first thing that we would like to do is to simply select the range of cells that are involved in the sorting. So let's select this. After selecting it, on the menu navigation, go to data, navigate to sort range, and in here, sort range by column A to Z. As you can see, the numbers are now arranged from list to greatest. Now to do this the other way around, from greatest to list, simply follow the same instructions, navigate to data, sort range, and pick the second option, which is sort range by column A, Z to A. As you can see, the grades are now sorted from greatest to list. And now the value has now its proper order. And that's about it. That's how to sort by values in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.